regla que hay que tener en cuenta.
Obviously, it's a rule that we need to take into account.
Pero yo creo que nuestra idea de juego no tiene que cambiar por esta regla.
But I don't think our style of play needs to change because of this rule.
Incluso en el último partido de liga que nos servía el empate no fuimos defensivos.
Including, for example, in the last game against Jamshedpur, even when a draw was sufficient for us, we didn't try to play for a draw, we went for the win.
Y fuimos capaces de ganar 0-3.
And we were capable of winning 3-0.
Yo creo que el equipo tiene que seguir con la mentalidad que ha tenido hasta ahora.
I think the team just needs to continue with the mentality that they've had till this point in time.
En los últimos 3 partidos tenemos muy buenos números en cuanto a goles encajados y goles marcados.
I think in the last 3 games we've got some very good numbers in terms of the amount of goals we've scored and the amount we've only conceded.
Y esa es la idea a seguir.
And this is the way to continue.
Creo que conseguir la portería cero no lo consigue el portero.
I think getting a clean sheet is not just the work of only a goalkeeper.
Creo que es un trabajo de todo el equipo.
I think it's work that's dependent on the entire team.
Y el equipo en los 3 últimos partidos ha estado bien defensivamente.
And I think the team has been defensively good in the past 3 games.
Eso nos ha permitido tener 2 veces portería cero.
And this has allowed us to have 2 clean sheets.
Y yo creo que hay que trabajar como equipo para defender bien.
I think we have to work as a team to be able to defend well.
No estoy preocupado porque en los últimos partidos también nos ha faltado gente que venía siendo importante.
I'm not worried because even in the other games as well, in the past few games, we had players who were, sort of important before but didn't play.
Y el equipo ha seguido siendo competitivo.
And the team continued to remain competitive.
Without doubt, yes. It wasn't an accident that we finished second in the league this year, and it certainly wasn't an accident that we won away from home in the manner in which we did in Bangalore. Obviously, we won here in Goa, and we also won in Pune, as well as Jamshedpur. So, but we also lost at North East, So we seem to get up for the really big games this season when we had to win matches that we had to win. And the guys will remember when we came here a few weeks ago, it was a must-win situation for us. And we managed to get the result that we wanted. So, yeah, we deserve to finish in the position which we did in the regular season, and we've earned the right to come into the playoffs. And, I can assure you, they're all very fired up, waiting to go.